If you're considering dental braces to get that fantastic smile you've always wanted, or for better overall health but are self-conscious about having a mouth full of metal, lingual braces may be the answer. Lingual braces are invisible. The brackets are placed on the back side of your teeth and aren't visible from the front. Working just like traditional braces, lingual braces eventually straighten a patient's teeth within the same amount of time metal braces would. Lingual braces can significantly enhance an individual's appearance and are a great option for both adult professionals and teens that would feel more confident with invisibility, all while managing great dental health. Lingual braces can also be extremely convenient for those who play wind instruments or contact sports. In contrast to conventional metal braces, lingual braces are custom fit to the patient, ensuring a higher comfort level. Sometimes a patient will use a combination of lingual braces on the upper teeth and ceramic tooth-colored braces on the lower teeth. When it comes to invisible braces, think lingual braces.